secant, cosecant, and cotangent functions. So the functions secant, cosecant, and cotangent of an angle are defined as, so the secant of the angle theta is equal to 1 over cosine of theta. Cosecant of the angle theta is equal to 1 over sine theta, and cotangent of the angle theta is equal to 1 over the tangent theta or tan theta. So in this example, it says use your calculator to write down the value of, in part A, secant of 280 degrees. Now we know that the secant of the angle theta is 1 over cosine theta. So secant of 1 or of 280 degrees is equal to 1 over cosine 280. So using your calculator, 1 over cosine 280 degrees is equal to 5.76, correct to 3 significant figures. Now in part B, we have cotangent of 115 degrees. So cotangent of theta is equal to 1 over tan theta. So cotangent of 115 is equal to 1 over tan the angle of 115 degrees. So 1 over tan 115 is equal to negative 0.466, correct to 3 significant figures. In the second example, it says work out the exact value of secant 210 degrees. Now, we know that secant 210 degrees is equal to 1 over cosine 210. Now, if we want to do a quick sketch of our angle 210, we know that this is 0, 360. Here it's 90. Here it's 180. And here is 270. So this is the first quadrant. This is the second. This is the third. And this is the fourth. Now, if we want to draw our angle, since our angle is 210 degrees, therefore it must lie between the 180 degree angle and the 270 degree angle. So it must lie anywhere here. Now this is 180, so what's left here is 210 minus 180, which is 30. So cosine of 210 is equal to negative cosine of 30. Why? Or why negative? Because simply it lies in the third quadrant. So cosine 210 is equal to negative cosine 30. So secant of 210 degrees is equal to 1 over negative cosine 30, because cosine 10 is equal to negative cosine 30. And negative cosine 30 is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2. So 1 over negative square root of 3 over 2 is equal to negative 2 over the square root of 3. Now, if we want to rationalize this fraction, so I'm going to multiply the denominator by the square root of 3. So the denominator times the square root of 3 and the numerator times the square root of 3. So our final answer is negative 2 square root of 3 over 3. So this is our final answer. So secant 210 degrees is equal to negative 2 times square root of 3 over